Hello artistic people, in this video we are going to draw Akshay Kumar sir's portrait with the help of grid method. Firstly, you should download the image of Akshay Kumar sir from Google, or I'll give a link of photo in my description. Now I have converted the photo into the grid app, and now I am just drawing the horizontal and vertical lines according to the grid. Now I will start from the hair part of the portrait. In my earlier video of Hrithik Roshan sir's portrait, I have started from the eye, but in this photo I am starting from the hair. Just slowly observe the image and just draw the outline. You have to follow each box according to the grid and draw accordingly. Draw slowly according to the grid which is in the image. Now I am drawing the goggle of the image. Here I am using mechanical pencil. It's of 0.5. If I talk about the grid, so I have taken 30 mm size one cell. You can take 15 or 20 if you want more detail on the image. So approximately we have completed the outline. Now I'm just in this portrait I'll draw from the eye part while erasing one by one box. You can see that I'm just using the Kohinoor pencil. I have just started to shade the goggle part. Here I'm using 10B pencil, and you can use also 6B or 8B pencil. I'm using blending stump to get the value of black. Sometimes where is the dark part, you just don't need to erase the grid. Now I'm just erasing the grids of the face. For getting the shades of the image, I'm using mechanical pencil with 2B pencil to shade the head part or the face part. Now I'm using tissue paper to blend the face. I'm seeing there are some dark part in the image, so I'm just double layering the cheek part. As on the mustache, I'm using 8B pencil. Now I will just remove all the grid from the page. As it is the dark part on the coat, so I am using 6B. After that, for layering it, I am using 8B or 10B. As to get the dark part of the image on the face, I am using blending stump. You can also use cotton bud for that, as there are some light part in the hair, so I am just leaving that part. So here I am using tissue paper because I was not getting the actual value from the blending stump. get the lighter part of the goggle, I am using Kohinoor erasable pencil to get the light effect on the goggle. If you don't have Kohinoor erasable pencil, so you can also cut the normal pencil and you can use it accordingly. Here I am using kneadable eraser. I am lighting the hair with the Kohinoor pencil. Now there are some lines on the cloth, so I am using Kohinoor and 2B pencil to get the lightning effect on the cloth. Here with the mechanical pencil I am getting the value. There are some hair on the downside of the chin. With the Kohinoor pencil I am getting the lining effect of checks on the coat. As you can see that the maximum portion of the portrait is completed. Some detailing part is left, so I have also done that. You can make any image with the help of this method, as it is very easy method. Now I am using tissue paper to get the background effect. As our portrait is completed, so if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and also comment down which leader or actor you want in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.